Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today I've had a request to draw this beautiful tulip, so get yourself some plain white paper. You need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen and your choice of coloured medium. So I'm going to be using this watercolour set that I've got, a little travel one, but you can use coloured pencils, felt tip pens, anything that you like. And don't forget, if you like to draw animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find in the link just here. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off this tulip nice and easy. So just a little gentle light line going across like this. Now, horizontal to this line, I'm going to be doing a slightly longer one just here. Just like that. We're going to join up the lines. So just using a curved line, join it up that side and join it up this side. I made it just a little bit too long, so I'm just going to erase this little bit here. There we go. Next, we're going to be doing the stalk. So a line coming down and another one next to it. Now we're going to be doing one of the leaves. So just a pointy leaf like this on one side. Then a line going up like this. That's going to be followed by a curved line which then joins it and then carries on like that. From the tip of this one, we're then going to come back down. Okay, so it's kind of like a folded leaf. You're doing so well if you've got this far. Please carry on, you showed up today. So let's do another leaf here. One goes up like this. And then the outside of the leaf comes around like that. Okay, let's add some petals. So we're going to draw a curved line just starting here and another one starting here. So this line's going to curve up and come round, not to the top, just slightly below, just there. I'm going to do the same on this side. Curved one coming up and round. Then we're going to draw a line going across like this. And then the other side of the tulip, so we've got another line just going up like that, and then another petal just coming around like that, one more, one like that, and that's the end of stage one. So this next stage I'm going to go over it in pen, but please do carry on in pencil, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. So we're going to be drawing the stalk, so I'm going to go over this in pen. Now, here, I'm just going to add a little line like that, okay? Just covering the top of the stalk. I'm then going to start the petals just slightly further down than we did before. And it's going to come up, follow the line that we did before, all the way up, and then round, all the way down, just like that. It has another little part to it, so just round like this. There's just like a little slither more. We're going to do the other side. So starting just below where we did before, just going to carry it on, round, all the way up till we get there, and then round again, all the way down, like that. Going to do the center petal. Now this one has a slight dip in the middle. So just following the preparatory line we did before, but with a little dip in the middle there. Okay, might want to draw a little light line coming down. Now we'll do the petal behind it. So that one comes up and round, just like that. And then this petal here comes up and round. And this one has another little slither, just like that. Going to do the same on this side. So following the one that we did before, round like that, and another little slither coming round like so. Okay, now for the leaves. So we'll draw this line coming up like this. We're going to follow the line that we did before. Comes round and up like that, and then round. Okay. These are basically the same as we did before, so we'll just quickly put them in just like this. So have a think about what colours you're going to be using. I'm going to be using some watercolours, and I'm now going to colour it in, but first of all I'm going to erase all the pencil markings. And if you haven't done already, go over it in pen, then erase the pencil markings. Okay, I'm going to start off with a yellow, so I'm going to make this quite strong, and just on the tip of the petals I'm going to add this yellow here, so just here. I'm using watercolours, but you can use colouring pencils or acrylics or anything of your choice. So here's another yellow pop. Making this quite strong yellow. Just like that. Don't have to be too neat with watercolour. You know, you want it to look a little bit artistic. Doesn't have to be completely within the lines. So this yellow part comes all the way down here. A little bit down there as well. Okay, I'm going to carry on with this yellow. Just a very kind of dilute wash. Make it quite dilute. Just going to carry on with the stalk. Okay. Just some of the edges of the leaves. Just like that. Okay. I'm then going to go over the leaves in green, so it's going to let it blend with this yellow that we did before. There we go. Blending nicely. And here as well. I don't know about you, but I find watercolour painting very, very relaxing. It's easy to make mistakes, but I just love the feel of the paints, and they kind of do their own thing, so you just leave them to it. There we go. Write in the comment section below if you feel the same, or whether there's a painting medium that you prefer. I'm actually more of an oil painter. I use oil paints a lot, but I like to use watercolours now and again. So keep going. It's nice to be doing something different. I usually do a lot of animals, so it's nice to be doing some flowers once in a while. So okay, I'm going to change to a slightly darker green, just for the inside here. Again, I'm going to let it do its own thing and it can blend on its own. So just underneath these parts, that's where it's quite dark. Around here. Okay, just here as well. Excellent. Okay, let's get back to the petals. Give my brush a good wash, and we're going to create this amazing kind of crimson orange / yellow colour. Well, various colours really. Okay, so let's start off with the kind of orangey colour. So this is very vibrant. I'm going to make it a little bit more dilute though. There we go. Coming all the way down, like so. Same on this side. And then the same on this side. Don't worry, we're going to go over it in a couple of layers, so it doesn't look that vibrant at the moment, but it will do. There we go. And in the background as well, I'm going to mix it in with a bit more yellow. There we go. Mixing, mixing. There we are. Okay. Keep on adding layer upon layer. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit stronger now. There we go. That's more like it, isn't it? A bit stronger. There we go. Okay, so right at the bottom I'm going to add this really dark kind of scarlet red. So let's have the scarlet red here. Okay, so if you don't have a scarlet red, you can add a touch of blue to your crimson. There we go. There we go, it's taken shape. I'm actually going to add a tiny touch of blue. I'm going to add it just at the bottom here. Just a tiny bit, just to show that it's in shadow. There we go. Just coming up. There we go, so there's my blue. And then one around here. A little bit more blue. There we go. Excellent. So there we have our finished tulip drawing / painting. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please consider hitting subscribe and like, and check out the other videos that I have here. And I do hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.